welcome to my channel. I know you haven't seen my face in a while. The last video I did was a vlog. Oh no, vlog, not vlog. Sorry. But anyways, welcome to my channel. It's been a minute. If you're new here, welcome. So today it's just going to be an unboxing with me, nothing major, just going through some clothes I received from Heypretty. But before we get into that, I hope everyone is okay, everyone is keeping safe, especially with the current, you know what. I know it's not easy working from home. That's for those who have to work from home, and those who have to obviously stay home. If you've been working from home, obviously, no, you can't even step out and stuff like that. But over here in the UK, it hasn't been officially announced that it's a lockdown, but so far, so good. Just take this time to connect with your loved ones, stay safe, and if you stay alone, use this time to work on yourself. All the things you've been putting to the side, I'll do it, especially if you do a 9 to 5, just use now to reflect on yourself and be a better version of yourself, I guess. Make, as I say, in every difficult or sad situation, there's always something good out of it, regardless of how it is. So just wish you guys a good one, everyone. Just stay safe. So to the business of today. So Heypretty, I'll be leaving the information of your stuff down below, and I already have one of them on, as you can see. It's what do I call it? It's a sweater, but it's not really thick. It's very light actually, so you can actually wear it in warm weather. So it's not like, oh, when you wear out you feel like you sweat, because obviously it has an opening here. I love the detail of the sleeves, and then the zip, obviously I'm not going to flash, it goes up and down, and same thing down here. I'll obviously be showing you guys how this will style it just a little bit, so to give you guys a full look of what it looks like. And then we have a blazer, but let me show you what this one looks like first, and then we'll get to the second look, okay? So this is what the top looks like. Wearing jeans, nothing special. Then I love the fit and I love the detail. Watch out for this picture. But yeah, so the back looks like. Show you booty. But yeah, loving it. So let's get straight to the second look. So to the second item we have here, this is a blazer. I haven't actually opened it. Oh, it's really light. So it's just a checkered blazer. Oh, okay, yeah. But yeah, that opens up. And I think, let me see. Oh no. So it just has a pocket detail, not the flaps, but doesn't exactly go in. But yeah, I will try this on to give you guys an idea of what this looks like. But yeah, as for the material, not bad. Oh yeah, and it also has like just like this sleeves, but this one has like a button there. You guys can see that. And but I'll try this on now to give you guys an idea of what it looks like. So yeah, this is what the blazer looks like. I just created an outfit that is like, I'm wearing this to work. Yeah, sue me. I'm the CEO. Yes. What? Leave your comments below. So to the next item of the day. and a skirt, and then a crop top. So this is really nice, and it has like, you can adjust it to fit how you want it to be based on your boob size. And then also it has a ruching detail on the skirt on both sides actually. Oh no, there's just a ruching detail on this side, yeah, and then this one is adjustable. So I guess when you wear it, you can actually, ooh, okay. So I'm gonna try this on now for you guys to see. Don't forget to leave your comments below on what outfit you like the most. And then I'll also be leaving the links, like I said, in the link below, okay? Outfit 3, two-piece. I love the material, lycra, obviously, so really stretchy. I think this can fit almost anyone. And the ruching detail on the side. Loving it. The crop top too is very comfy, and like I said, it's adjustable. I haven't done that yet, so hence why it's loose, but yeah. But that's it. Let me know what you think. Comment below. And to the next item. I think this is a dress. Oh yeah, it is. Ooh, okay. So yeah. So I'm guessing this side is going to be open when you wear it, and it's a monostrap dress. And then also it also has the ruching detail on the side, both sides actually, like the previous outfit. So I like the color, it's really spring, summer like. So I'll say this can, it really depends on where you're going to. This can be worn from day to night, or just on a night out, really depending on how shiny you want to be. But personally, I'll rather wear this on a holiday during the day, because holidays you're allowed to be bright. But yeah, I'm gonna try this on now and show you guys what it looks like. First of all, this is yellow. This used to be my favorite color. I can still rock it, but now, you know, as you get older, bright colors, not doing it anymore. I love it. And this dress, seen a lot. Let's turn around. Hey pretty, as the store says, hey pretty. What are you guys thinking? I'm ready to go out, like social distancing, I don't care, I'm going out. DJ, play a song. I'm going to create my club in the house since we can. Items left. I think it's also a dress too. Yep. Really bright colors, I must say. And then also has the ruching detail like the previous two-piece. So I think you can actually pull that too. Yeah, this is really interesting. I really want to know what this looks like on. So I'm gonna try that now and give my honest review of what I feel it looks like, or where I'll be wearing this to, because this is really bright again. But I think it was this last 3 outfits, I would say, are really giving me like spring break, summer break vibes. So like I said, you can actually wear one at night too, maybe on ladies night out, or if you're going out with your man. It really depends on what look you're going for. But I'm going to try this now, so let me know what you think. Okay? See? Guys, this dress, first of all, it was a struggle to put it on, as you can see. So there's no zip, nothing, no buttons. You literally have to. So imagine having your makeup on and then, but yeah, the Lord saw me through. That's 1, 2. It is really short. I'm not trying to bend down to pick anything. Like, and you know it has the ruching detail. So this is me not even trying to see. I don't know if I literally, I'm exposed. My bride price, which has been paid, might just be collected back because I'm about to. Oh wow! But that being said, it's a nice dress for people who are still in the world. The color, this one you can't go missing. Like literally, if you wear this one out when you're going out with your husband, your boyfriend, your friends, especially for, I have a friend, in fact she's my child, Martha. This dress is for you because you tend to go missing. You know, friends, if you have friends that tend to go missing when you guys go out, this is the outfit for them. Because trust me, you definitely know how to search. Because I'm out here looking like last month. Oh yeah, my Nigerian fans obviously know what last night is. It's what they call them again? Traffic people? They're either traffic or the people that clean this. No, I think the traffic in Nigeria, yes. So their uniform has, I think they have this color or something. So yeah, I think it's for them to be like make them obvious. On yeah, the yeah, that traffic sign. The what do you call that thing again? I don't know, the triangle, yeah, the one that the cone. Yes, I'm looking like the cone. But yeah, okay. All jokes. But yeah, it's a nice dress for a night out. If you want to show some legs or some curves, some booty. So yeah, 7 looks here, but it's nice. Leave your comments below, guys, what you think and what you feel about the outfit. And to the last outfit, it's also a dress. Okay, I was actually confused for a second there, but yeah, yeah, it's a dress. I really can't say much about this dress. It is, I love the color, it's really nice. That is satin, and then the material is really like chiffony and stuff. But it's a really playful dress. Like I said, most of the things I got, apart from the blazer and the one I'm wearing right now, I would say have this holiday vibe about them. But for this dress, I really can't. The other ones, I kind of have an idea what they will look like when I wear them, but this one is like, So let me just wear it, and then we can decide what we think about the dress. But yeah, so that's that. But let me try it then I'll come back to you guys, and then we'll have a roundup of everything that we have tried. Okay, see you soon. Quite short, guys. But like I said previously, I love the color of the dress. I think it's supposed to be like a good girl gone bad dress. It's like has that conservative look up here, and then it's really short, as you can see. But then I actually tried to go, because when I noticed it had what's it called, like this kind of neck, because obviously there's no zip and button again. So I've had previous dresses like this before where it would be difficult trying to wear it. So I just thought, okay, why not just go for a bigger size? But I think that wasn't a good move because it's kind of loose on here. So yeah, but advice, stick to your size if you think you like the dress and you want to get one. So just stick to your size. I guess that would be fine because the arms are loose and it has an elastic band here, so it shouldn't be a problem. So yeah, stick to your size. But Apart from that, it's a nice dress, I would say. Not bad. Give it a 6 personally, but then again, I'm sure someone out there would love it. So yeah, this is the last look for today, and yeah, I'll be leaving the link of all the outfits I tried from the very first to the very last one in the link below, and also where you can, once you click on that, it'll take you straight to the website. And then again, this is all the outfits I tried today were from Heypretty. Really good stuff, nice materials and good finishing, I would say. So yeah, I would highly recommend. They have really good stuff. They have other things, other casual wears and they have accessories too, so it really depends on what you're looking for. So with no further ado, that brings us to the end of my video. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing with me today. And like I said earlier when I started the video, guys, please stay safe. And if you're still home with your parents, you need to be extra careful, because obviously you know what they say about older people at this time. But if you're staying alone, still be safe still, regardless of how old you are. And use this time to, I don't know, focus on yourself, get better, do things that you said you've been pushing to the side. It could be writing, music, whatever, anything. Just be productive, I'll say, instead of just thinking of the bad things, and stay away from the news at this point, because really, as much as you're helping us, you're giving us information, at the same time, it's really depressing. But just hope that things get better and everyone stays safe out there, okay? But please, please, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, okay? The bell like button below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you watch my other videos. The previous one from the vlog, if you haven't seen it, vlog from Tenerife, really good. More information, obviously. I know right now we can't travel, but once things settle and you think you like to go there, it's well detailed on things you can do. So I'm sure you enjoy watching that vlog. Okay, so once again, stay safe. Love you. Bye.